Let's see how quickly I could do this.
Care
That's not gonna
for
work.
others.
Yes, that's me right now. Okay. Chat check. Chat check. Chat check. Okay. And I should have fixed the um oh, channel point redeems were broken last time. I made sure those were fixed today. I have Unreal Engine right here. Blank. Yeah. Okay. I could let me think about this. I want to keep the file size small. I think I want it to just be blank. But even then it starts with that. That's why I was looking into this real quick. Cause I thought that I had Unreal 5 project small file size. Well, let's just create a blank. We'll call this Hero 1. Who knows how many projects I'll end up making throughout this. Okay. Desktop maximum. I don't really know what... Oh, I don't have a compiler. Oh, I heard a text message. Hey, it's Tornado Bird. Okay. I guess I'm installing Visual Studio real quick. Unless I just make a... I mean, I don't know that I want to use... Do I have Writer installed? I do have Writer installed. Let's see. Here, I'll let you see what I'm... Wait, can I drag... Okay, here we are. Okay. It wants to install a lot of things. I don't think we need to install that much. Huh. Yeah, looks like we would need that. Probably don't need that. Oh, that unchecked a lot of things. Okay. And yeah, for right now, I think all we need is this. hopefully. Cool. Well, we don't really need that for now, but that'll be better. That'll be helpful for later. All right. Here we go. So, the plan for today, I believe, is to try and make Warp Spear. Oh, we're on the other monitor again. Okay, Unreal Engine starts with an empty level that's a landscape. Oops. What's a matter of keybinds? Okay. Okay, we start with just all these things. Oh, cause this is like the new UE5 thing. World data layers. I don't know how to use those yet. So I'm not going to. Content. Oh wait, can I revision control? Can I instantiate with like git? Connect to a revision control. Git. Yeah. Remote server. And it wait. Can I? Yes, I do want to have a git. Let's see. Voidlighter.com slash wait. Actually, yeah, I have a link to my GitHub from voidlighter.com. But it's github.com/voidlighter that I was going for. Okay. Oh, but I should also sign in. Oh, boy. Oh, well, I don't actually want to sign in on this. I'd want to sign in on my other thing. I try to not keep things logged in if they're going to dox me in any way. GitHub voidlight. Okay, let's create new repository. It's gonna be hero1 is what I named this. Public or private? Public for now. I don't see a reason not to. Unreal Engine has a gitignore template. Choose a license. Let's not do a license yet. I don't know what I'm doing with this. Okay, now that I have this, does it want an HTTPS or? I mean, that's a URL, so that's probably right. Okay. Oh. Oh yeah, I forgot this is a big program that might slow down the rendering of streams. Okay, well, okay. Initialize. Let's see. It's probably gonna make me log in or something. Accept settings. Connection successful? That's it? No errors? You know when there's no errors and you're like, did I do that right? I don't see any activity over here on GitHub. But I also haven't done anything yet. Revision control. Well, I guess it wouldn't need to do anything until I do a push, but it would have done an initial commit, so refresh. Still just a git ignore. Okay, these errors seem significant. Revision controls disabled. Okay. Project settings. Whoa, wait. Oh, wait, I just wasn't scrolled to the bottom. Create mode. Huh. Revision. See, anything in here say, like, revision control. It's, like, almost empty. Well, let's just program something and worry about that later. Okay. We don't have any folders, so we're free to just, like, maps. And we're gonna make a new level. We're gonna call it test world. We're gonna open it. Yay, look, it's nothing. It's nothing, and now we can try and put something in it. Okay, we're going to make actors, blueprints. What do I want to call this? Actors. And then I want, actually not a folder. In the beginning, there was nothing. Let's see. Blueprint print class. We're going to. Okay. So an actor has a lot less. Pawns can be possessed and receive input. I think what I want to make is a pawn. Well, a character is a type of pawn that includes the ability to walk around. Actually, searching through the internet one time, I discovered that you can purchase an audiobook of the New Testament with James Earl Jones reading it. You know, Darth Vader, Mufasa, James Earl Jones. In the beginning, there was the word. Like, it's pretty awesome. Except I mean, I mostly know of it. I haven't purchased it, but if I were to, I don't know, that'd be a fun way to experience that. Okay. Okay, the question is, these have a lot of code already attached. I mean, I guess, yeah. Let's make a player character, and we're gonna call this hero. Am I gonna start naming convention with a BP? Okay. Oh look, he has a little face. We're gonna put his here. Okay, so we got an empty capsule collider with a character movement module. Let's give him a actually capsule component. I kind of want it to be circular. So that way in the future if I want to change gravity, fun fact, in Mario Galaxy, where gravity changes a lot, the character the character collision is actually a perfect sphere. So when it's like rotated with weird gravity, a sphere rotating doesn't do anything, really. So it's perfect. Um, capsule half. What if I do a? Okay, capsule half height and radius. If I set the half height to the radius, does that just make it a circle? That looks like a sphere to me. Very, very much so. Yeah. Okay. It also looks quite small, but that's fine. Let's add a sphere. I think that's way bigger than our thing. Can I? Oops. Let's lock those. Yeah, let's get a little circle going. I'll have a little bit of room around him, and that'll just be. Does this have collision on it? Because I don't want it. Generate overlap events? No. Okay. Well, let's see. Enable the uh oh well okay. Event graph. Here are our blueprints. Um okay. Think well let's just decide that we need to make something better. So event begin play timer um let's see. I don't know what the difference between these are, so I'm gonna see. Oh yeah, looping. Wait, that's kind of what I want. Timer. By get it by function name. Oh, I see. I see what's going on here. What is the time in? Okay, okay, perfect. This will be great. Um, we don't need event tick. We don't need actor overlap for now. Um, okay, really quick. What are we? Okay, we're trying to make warp spear. Warp spear looks like. So we have a character moving around. Maybe I should just make sure we have a character moving around first. Test world. We should probably put a block in here. I, I. There's nothing here. Okay. Can I just add a? Oh, I can create folders in the hierarchy. Yes, please. Let's geometry. I think that's how you spell geometry. Um, okay. Is it gonna be in tools or window? Where we have levels, layers, place actors. Here we are. Geometry. Yes, let's add a box. Look, it's a box. It's entirely dark. So we're gonna need a light. Let's add a directional light. Okay, but now there's only a directional light and then there's nothing for it to bounce off of. Isn't it great? Okay. We're gonna have actually wait. Skylight? Okay, skylight isn't making any light. Which you would think it would. Let's look at this. Real-time capture. Effects world. Indirect intensity. Missive only what? Stationary. Okay, I just wanted to see if that did anything. Sky distance threshold and intensity scale. What if I just... You'd think that you'd see something. Oops, probably that at 1 at least. Let's see. I wonder what would be the best AI assistant. Wait. What would that be under? Plugins. AI. GitHub. Copilot. Well, let's just look back at AI. Interesting. Okay. Well, let's ask. Oh, are you done? Very cool. Oh, I also want to do that. Project settings. Editor. Visual Studio. What about these are the engine's general settings. Maps, modes, packaging, supported target hardware. Desktop maximum. Description. Which is currently checked out. That's actually super useful to know. What would I search to find? Okay. Oh, look, this is all editor. What's 2D? Oh, so Paper 2D isn't a plugin anymore. It's just built in. Okay. This is... Okay, I'm clearly missing something. Oh, I do want to make some inputs. Access mappings. Whoa, oh wait, this is deprecated. What do you want me to use? Enhanced inputs. Where's that? I'm in inputs. enhanced input actions and input mapping contexts instead. Okay, well, we'll get there when we get there. And actually, I don't need to find this right now either. Oh, what I wanted to do was ask, what is Bing AI going to be the best one for this because it has the internet, or GitHub Copilot? Let's open VS Code and ask GitHub Copilot if it knows about Unreal Engine. Uh-huh. Let's see. Do you know Unreal Engine stuff? I brought in a skylight and it isn't making any light. And it's using my current project as reference. Okay. So not that. Let's try. I literally only go to Bing for its AI. It's weird that I go to Bing at all nowadays. That's different. Okay. In Unreal Engine, I brought in a skylight, but it's making no light. What do I do? Okay. Several reasons. Let's. Oh, dang. Oh, there we go. There we go. Make sure skylight is set to visible and affects world. Affects world, and it was visible. Sky distance threshold. Set the threshold to 0. No, that didn't do it. Rebuild lighting. Does this require built lighting? Flipping it to stationary, fix it for, it is stationary. Let's see. Cube map or source type. Okay, are we gonna add a... I don't need anything crazy. I just need... Hold up. Control space. Oh, it does something different in here. Okay. Right click. There's something I can do here. Add an import content. Add feature content pack. Oh, dang. I mean, yeah, might as well. Interesting. Gives us something to work with. Could I have added it with C++ instead? Oh, while it's loading, where is Chapstick? Oh, did that work? Uh, okay, well, we have these. Oh, wow, that added a whole lot. Yeah, I probably wanted that. Okay. Oh, it has maps in here. Let's go here. I would love to just make everything work on my own, but okay, it's hard to argue it. Ooh, I don't like that camera. Okay, okay, okay. How much, like, does this... It's serious. Huh. Oh, and all this lighting is dynamic, too. Okay. It's hard to argue when... Wait, it's using my mouse already, but how did it know to use... Well, let's look at our blueprints here. Nothing on the character. Wait, would I not put it on the character? Is it on the controller? Add mapping context. Enhance local player subsystem. I double clicked on that and it opened Visual Studio, or was that just... Do we get code? Oh. Wait. Skip. General. I don't know what the difference between C++ and Visual C++ is, but... No, this is... No, it is loading Visual Studio. It is. It's not coincidence. Enhanced local player subsystem. And then it adds a mapping context. And okay, this is going to be interesting. What are we going to find? Oh, it's loading. Ready to look at some C++? Okay, here we are. Okay, let's see if we can parse this. Okay. Interface. We have input key. Okay, this isn't actually a very long file. So interesting. Okay, yeah, Republic protected it. Well, Now I know what that node is. It's it's just getting it as an input object and then adding a mapping context. I let's see. I I learned programming languages in this order. Java in high school. Um, I independently learned Python in high school, and then independently learned JavaScript in high school. And then in college, I had a class in C++, and then a class in Python, and now a class in Java. So I'm two languages removed from C++ right now, but I still should sort of know it. But this is a lot of this is like Unreal specific stuff. It's so interesting how they use a language to I mean, it looks like they're just establishing some overrides, a const override. Like this looks like it's creating a thing, not doing a thing. Okay. Um, it still says loading Visual Studio. Yeah, it's it's a process. Let's see, what do we have? If I close this, does that stop? I don't know. Okay. Okay, look, this is our function that walks us around. Enhanced input. Can I set destination click? Set destination touch. Cached destination? Does that just mean you follow? Target is the top-down controller. Wait, this is the top-down. Oh, because it says itself. But this has. Oh, look. We have these functions. Move to, follow. Wait. Yeah. Follow is get controlled pawn, get the actor location, and get unit direction. And then it adds that to the movement input. Okay. You could spend so much time just like figuring out what we've already got here. Okay. First goal. I want a controller to move the character. Because I think I'm going to want buttons for this. Um, enhanced input action. I don't know how those work, so we're going to learn. But I believe they'll be in project settings, and I don't see why there wouldn't be under input. It's a class, so it's not. Hold on, that sounds way better. Input. Okay. Yeah, that's way better to not have that in the project settings. Okay. This is better. I love seeing that Unreal Engine 5 is better than 4. Okay. Oh, yeah, that's the same. Okay. So what happens if I open it? It has mappings, has IA, I'm assuming is input action. Wait, click and touch are actually separate inputs? I if triggered, completed, pressed threshold, 0.5. There you have it. That's how it can get a click as different, which is where it would use follow. Oh, and it stops the movement. What do I... Okay. So if I'm holding it down, it's going to use move to. If I'm clicking it, it's going to use follow. I don't think I'm going to use either of those. I think I'm going to just make it move in a direction. So we're going to add a mapping. This is going to be, oh, we aren't, ooh, can I make a new from here? Wait, oh wait, I think I could. Look, create new input action. We're going to put it in top-down input actions. Unless I want to make my own thing. And then just copy whatever that I need. We're gonna work within this for now. So we're gonna make this input action. I don't know if this is gonna need to be like move up or move forward or joystick or let's look okay. This is we have set destination click, set destination touch. Let's go IA move. Enter. And then, actually, I think that was the right call. We're going to go with, let's see, if I just grab a controller and turn it on, Unreal Engine's probably smart enough. Wait for the light to stop blinking. I don't think that worked. Look, we have a USB-C cable right here. Okay. So it's not doing that. Oh, well, I can just look in gamepad right here. Gamepad, left thumbstick, x-axis. My gut wants to do... Okay, then I can add as many of these as I need. So I'll add gamepad x-axis. And then I'll add W, A, S, and D. W. Then I'll add A. Wait, I don't want to hard code these in. Can these like be changed later? How does this work? Modifiers. Whoa. Okay, this is sophisticated. Oh, I pulled out my chapstick and never put it on. We're already at 45 minutes. Well, let's just... how am I applying how this... Inherit settings from action. Maybe I need to open up move. It's not a Boolean. It's going to be a vector 2D. What did that change stuff? Oh, I probably need to like save and compile this or something. Triggers. Oh yeah, because of course I need to indicate that we're holding this down. Um, hold. Um, modifiers none. Um, smooth. Smooths out input over multiple frames. That's wild. That would be perfect for motion controls, probably. To world space conversion. Direct. Whoa, that's pretty sophisticated. Okay. Well, we don't need that, I don't think. What if I hit override? Because in the end, I want this to be player mappable. I don't want it to be stuck on WASD, even if I want that to be default. Wait, can I add a modifier to this that determines what number it goes up to? Negate input per axis. Can I choose what axis? Oh, hey, there, that looks like a thing. Let's try scales input by. Wait, that's probably what I need. Um, why are there three? Isn't this 2D? Well, this is A. Well, okay, you know what? Let's just do gamepad for now. Gamepad triggers. Um, oh wait. Uh, probably just hold. Well, no, we need to release two actually. Um, and we're going to take a modifier that's just scalar. Take that. And this is x-axis. So we just want to zero out everything else. And do the same here. Hold and release. Scalar. I'm guessing on all this. Maybe I should actually just look it up. But this is y. So we're going to do negate those or zero those out. That should be good. Reserve all map. Interesting. This okay. Now if I'm in here, wait, this is enhanced input action. Okay. Is valid. Oh, that's interesting. My hand's getting a little fibro in it. What, from holding down right click so much? Oh, no, my arm. Well, it's not too much. But I was only planning on streaming for another 10 minutes anyways. These short streams don't do that much, do they? But let's just see if I can make the character move with a controller. That'll be something. Um, I forget just how much goes into this. Let's see. Input. How- What if I just search IA underscore? Hey, look, we have IA move. Triggered action value. Okay. Well, take care. See you another time. All right. Let's make our own thing. This will be controller move. I missed a T in there. Controller. Okay. Triggered. And okay, I don't want that to just be triggered. Player mappable key settings. Hmm? I don't know how that works. I don't know so many things. Hold up. I could just. Okay, Cade just got a crazy idea. All I have to do is import the. Not like that. Import content, and then. Wait. How did I do it before? Add feature or content pack. Let's just add third person, and then I'll have a whole movement thing in there. Yeah, I should try and make sure that I'm not doing any work that doesn't need to be done, that's already been done. If I go to Epic, do we have any like, if I could just get like a sword swinging animation in the marketplace. Okay. Well, now I should have a third person character. It has its own maps, third person map. Uh, let's save those and then move here. Errors. Contains invalid. Okay. I did it that wrong, I guess. Um, can I play this? Can I control? I thought that a controller would work. Is it? Maybe I do it like this. Maybe it works. I can't imagine it worked better with an Xbox controller. Uh, oh, oh, input could. Okay, DS4 did help. There we go. Okay. The movement feels so floaty. When I stop, I want to stop more immediately. Interesting. I also don't like the chrome look of the character. Ooh. I mean, if I had like ray tracing on it, actually would probably look really impressive. But right now, it just looks like what made you decide that? When you, let's see. I mean, there's some reflections going on here. They just aren't great. Not because they can't be great, but because they wouldn't be great on my machine. Okay. So, this is probably. So, I mean, if I stop here, I've done almost nothing. Let's. Okay. So we have third person, we have top down. Characters. Mannequins. Rigs. Oh, they have names. They're Manny and Quinn. Because, okay. Yeah, that's great names for your mannequin. Basic foot IK. Wait. Do they have. No, the feet stick up. They didn't put any stairs in here. Stairs are harder for games than ramps are. I wonder if in this game you'll be close enough to the player character for a stair to not just be an invisible ramp. Okay, well, now that we have a thing that works, let's compare it to mine. What is this one doing? Textures. No. I'm in mannequins. I'm in characters. Let's go with third person. Input. Actions. They did name it IA move, so I'm not crazy. They also have it at Vector 2D. Consume priority. They have it like that. So now mine is identical to theirs. So what is the difference in their this move? They used the thumbstick 2D axis. And then they used a dead zone and a scalar. They multiplied by 50 and by 1. Okay, what do they do for WASD? Modifiers. Swizzle. Wait, what? Okay, the opposite of W is S. Oh, and they do actually have, they have was sad here. Okay. Is it gonna be negate? The, all the swizzle input? The heck is swizzle? Can I? I need to figure out how to read Unreal documentation. It's probably what I gotta do. Oh, chat check. Oh, okay. Um, why did it copy modifiers? Copy display name. 0. What? Okay, so that doesn't. Oh, I did actually. But I just wasn't copying what I thought I was. Okay, swizzle. What? Okay, swizzle. Okay, UE5 doc. I don't know if I spelled that right because I had the thing covering it. Okay, we have the documentation. Swizzle. Swizzle. The docs look nice. Unreal Python? Expert. What? Where? What? Whoa, I've never heard of Unreal Python before. What? You could do this in 4 also? Hold up. What? Show me something. They made an editor tool? Wild. Okay. Back to not um probably this one. Swap reorder all axes. Now why would okay, let's look at Unreal. So it's ordering Y first. What does A do? Nothing. It just negates. D doesn't do a single thing. So, how does it know? How does it know that I gotta solve this before I go. I gotta understand. Let's look at the blueprints of third person character. It look, move has 2 things coming out of it. Mine didn't. But these look identical. Okay. Well, that's all for today. We imported 2 things. That's and now I gotta get back to work. Work on the real world. Okay. Well, that was interesting. We'll have to do that again, but better. Yeah. Anyway,